Looking for an easy midweek meal? Make these paprika beef steaks with chimichurri sauce and wedges. Tasty, filling, and full of goodness, it's guaranteed to impress. Start by cooking the wedges. Arrange wedges in a single layer on a baking paper lined tray. Bake in a 220 degrees Celsius oven, turning halfway through cooking until golden and heated through. While the wedges are cooking, brush the steaks with a little oil and sprinkle with paprika. Heat a large frying pan over medium-high heat, and when hot, cook the steaks in batches for 3 minutes each side or until cooked to your liking. Transfer to a plate and cover with foil to rest. While the steaks are resting, make the chimichurri sauce by adding the remaining oil, chopped parsley, oregano, garlic, chili, and vinegar in a small bowl. Slice the steaks and serve with wedges and salad. Drizzle the chimichurri sauce over the steaks and sprinkle with parsley leaves. What could be better than these paprika beef steaks with wedges drizzled in zesty chimichurri sauce?